Joby Aviation's S4 is a 4-seat eVTOL, vectored thrust aircraft using 6 tilting propellers which are located on both the fixed wing and its V-tail. 4 propellers tilt vertically including its entire motor nacelle, and 2 of the propellers tilt vertically with a linkage mechanism. The aircraft has a very modern and futuristic design with large windows for spectacular views and has a tricycle-type retractable wheeled landing gear. The company reports their aircraft is 100 times quieter than a helicopter during takeoff and landing with a near-silent flyover. A distributed electric propulsion system can take the aircraft to speeds of 200 miles per hour which are powered by lithium-nickel-cobalt-manganese oxide batteries, providing a range of 150 miles. The vehicle employs a unified flight control system to reduce pilot workload during the conversion to and from VTOL to horizontal flight mode. DEP on eVTOL aircraft provide multiple advantages, including greater stability of the aircraft in regular and gusty wind conditions, a much quieter aircraft, no emissions, lower weight, higher reliability, lower cost to operate, more compact, higher efficiency, no startup or shutdown delay, and safety through redundancy for its passengers. If 1 or 2 motors or propellers fail, the other working propellers can safely land the aircraft. In a demonstration for Bloomberg News, the S4 completed a piloted test flight that included a vertical takeoff, 15 minutes of flight along a 15-mile course, and a controlled landing. Joby was honored in May 2018 with the Vertical Flight Society's Paul E. Hauter Award, given for an outstanding technical contribution to the field of VTOL aircraft development other than a helicopter or an operational vertical flight aircraft was awarded to Joe Ben Bevert, the founder and chief executive OCER of Joby Aviation Inc., for successfully demonstrating the world's first high-speed multi-passenger electric VTOL aircraft. Joby was initially funded by Joe Ben Bevert, Paul Sciarra and others. Series A and Series B investments reached $130 million USD in 2018. In January of 2017, Joby Aviation received $970,000 USD from the Defense Innovation Unit Experimental, a Pentagon organization that focuses on implementing cutting-edge technology into the U.S. military. Joby's efforts are backed by at least 5 large investors. On January 15, 2020, it was announced that Toyota provided Joby Aviation with $394 million USD in funding, bringing the total money raised so far for the company to a grand total of $720 million USD. On December 20, 2019, Uber announced that the company had signed a multi-year commercial partnership with Joby Aviation to launch a fast, reliable, clean and affordable urban air taxi service in select markets. Joby will supply and operate the electric air taxis, and Uber will provide airspace support services, skyport infrastructure, connections to ground transportation and customer interfaces through its aerial rideshare network. With this agreement, Joby Aviation becomes the first partner in Uber's Elevate initiative with a committed timetable to deploy air taxi services by 2023. The company expects the cost per trip, over time, to be in the similar price range of ground transportation. At the VFS 6th Annual Electric VTOL Symposium on January 29, 2019, Joby noted that the company had successfully flown subscale and full-scale demonstrators. Joby plans on continuing to make prototype aircraft in Marina. The company has focused mainly on the development of their eVTOL aircraft, but as of 2020, Joby Aviation is now more focused on certification, initial production, then large-scale production and laying the groundwork for commercial operations. The 3 key pillars for Joby is safety, low noise and affordability for the consumer. Joby is now revealing more about their aircraft, company and future goals and are slowly lifting their veil of secrecy. Joby will either operate their own aircraft or be in partnership with other ride-share companies with Uber. Joby Aviation has stated on their website, they have become the first partner in Uber's Elevate initiative with a committed timetable to deploy air taxi services. As of the fall 2020, it has been reported that Joby is the farthest ahead of all UAM manufacturing companies and Joby is expected to be in operational service in 2023.